in Gaile fuáir an Galway here at the moment. Ach Dirach she's lena I bháin agus tinna reis a bhaile máireach gan na saoir le chun na déir mat. Just in Galway for the night and hopefully, well, we'll be getting the boat back in the morning, the Kunda J, hopefully. So, yeah, the much hang out in the Shagus. Ni lein o'r nari la ram, cha ma jach just live stream guide, I thought I'd just do a short live stream. Ach, sort of mediv in a mediv means kind of mild, warm, kind of muggy kind of weather. Neil chai grianver, like it's not sunny, but it's humid, muggy, mild. So sakerkalor tasat Gahodich to Shulhart Gaile Gumper Galore Mali Bia, especially if you're walking around Galway city with multiple heavy bags of groceries. But there's galore be a while along in the Sire Mairach. I'll be bringing back lots of lovely food back to the Sire tomorrow. Tan shoppa 8 bail in the Sire Goma. The excellent mas stuff on the shop at home is good variety of stuff. But ní smú vads of ad ní smú eggs a lot stuff like anything I'll more heat, but there's just so much more variety of stuff you get here in Galway. So ní bhí mang Iler o vinnig, I'm not in Galway that often, so try made shopping spree mar a gera. Ach been an spree it is a shopping spree. I've a great time shopping. Bia just shop could be a smile. Is better nach Willisagi for those who don't know is vegan mehain. I'm a vegan myself. There's a bingo with the mac meats, tofus is what the marshant manano and island, not fetch baile. I can get lots of like mac meats, different types of tofu, seitan, things like that I can't really get at home. You can get is fed your tofu cannot so shop chula so they do sell tofu. Sometimes ní gúnaí mar se smailm blast, blast, B-L-E-I-S-T, blast is a lot of or loads of. So smailm blast tofu cheannacht. Agus rudí eile not féidir on and many other things that I can't get at home. Mar dus ma the shop de bheith féilte an shop baile go in fairness the shop is good. But just compared to Tesco, no Dunn, SuperValu, etc. Lidl, Aldi, Tavani små excellent. It was roundly on and variety, excellent variety, and options round. Ach, I think I'm going to shachter so live stream it in. I see there's 7 people in the live stream it in now. I guess so cheer. Mapat Ruthikinch, what language are you speaking? Well, Gaelge agus Berla. I'm speaking Gaelic, Irish, Gaelic, agus Berla, and English. La agus la, half and half. Dúirt Irish boy, hello, Jehoich, Irish boy. Bochalairnach, Bochalairne. Agus dúirt Uncle Mick bha tásúlam gúil sib go no mis agus mo bhechéile gé sa bhíal Vietnam. Tá chráic agus bia go héintach agus brenn ort le chéile na seo. Bon appetit, tásúlam gúil gwyl bia go jazz agus atmosphere go jazz. Tá sé be mélan. Will ship Vietnam no bialan Vietnam? Are you in a Vietnamese restaurant or just in are you in Vietnam or in a Vietnamese restaurant? Glacum gurv bialan Vietnamese. Tasulam Wutoban Sulta Sajina. I hope you're enjoying the dinner. There's John Smith, Chin, Jabe. A Harja, it's just Mother Hutch, John Smith. Hello, John Smith, agus Irish boy. Kichahawilto. We don't say Conasatatu and Connacht. We don't say Conasatatu, John, which Kichawilto, Kichawilto. agus tá mise Harcéin Tá Harcéin. Tásúna go tú go má Irish boy, Tásún go tú go má, I hope you're well. Agus so the gender in this live stream, there's 10 people now in the live stream, agus mata hashtag go highly go hochas as Ilan Oren. If you have any questions for a native Irish speaker from the Aran Islands, Jenna Moyeel, Keshni Agart, I'll do my best to answer questions. Jenna Moyeel, I'll do my best. King Kunda, so King Kunda. Well, it's as Kunda na gaileve, Ilan Oren is agus scail go hochas me. Gail go hochas. Agus Tásúlam which you come Kitama nisha, what time is a Kitama? Oh, Chetrishanai, Mar ni mai gerva va be magaidi tarsach. Ni mai gera evad. I don't want to be long, be magaidi tarsach because I'll be getting tired. So via Dutch Uncle Mick Vietnamese restaurant. So Bialan Vietnam. I wish I was in Vietnam eating squid with garlic noodles. How would you say that on a sayer? When you some king get her squid, I don't know what the Irish is for squid. Garlic noodles, garlic stoi. Maar ni some king get her squid. Ni vi in Sharo Vinnick. It's not really an animal that would come up in conversation. Ilan Oren on the Aran Islands. There were charged by a handlum agus listal me. Come on. There's Brian Murphy, Jachara. Kid the Harlas Barkach Rocker Donach will. Na bochalis kun na gaile rai. Well la kuna J Tásúlam goal. Tásúlam goal. Hopefully they are. La kuna J. Ní vachasat. Becheart come off a gaile. Galway should win. Becheart come off a gaile. Ed a law. Ta rudde bedan tarlo. On the day, rudde ed on law on the day. Ed on law on the day. Ta rudde erbe inan tarlo. Anything can happen on the day. La kuna J boife gaile. Tásúlam. Get this film, Jenna. What can I do? Tásúlam. Yeah. And I kunda na me nachas and can come to me kunda na me. So is as Ilan Valencia nacha Wayne Brian Murphy, you're from Valencia nacha. Been but Ilan no utunan Tomanch go Valencia. Are you able to drive on to Valencia? Features Tomanch go Valencia. Ma ta masto garfier Ilan Matutna Arnus Ilan Akla Marhumpla Ilan Akla Tatunan Tadraid Tatunan Tomach. You're on Akel Island, you're able to drive on it. So some mightn't kind of consider it a true island. And will Valencia Marachel is Valencia Island kind of similar that you're able to drive onto it. John Smith. Roll through Gailge Kaijan Aaron when growing up. Apologies for mistakes. Is Gailge a hochas ma, my native Irish speaker. Masha is Gailge in a sire. Gailge Ilan Oren, Gailge in a sire Gaharich. It's native in a sire Irish I have, so I didn't learn it. This is my first language. Masha Gailge hochas, I'm a native Irish speaker from in the Sire, the Aran Islands. Lor smugglerún Ilan Oren nach hfuil. Tá go lor smugglerún foi láis. Tá on Lines Main Níos an cí gaige dar sin nach an lines mé agus a Portuguese man a war agus tá compass smugglerún compass the compass jellyfish. So sin look nan raw, they're able to sting you, all of them. So tá bín fáitis ar daoine chuile snáb, bín fáitis ar dhaoine chuile snáb, so a lot of people are afraid to swim because of the smugglerún. Mai go le tá náirigin tá sé níos teolaí. It's warmer. The sea temperature is warmer, so tá níos smooth smugglerún as the agus rudí uafasach mar sin. There's loads of jellyfish and horrible things like jellyfish rudí uafasach na smugglerún. Is snáb sin fuiláir. Dúirt peringus suas na míú. Well, if you wanted to say if you wanted to say up County Meath, you'd say Cúnda na mí a bú, I suppose. Cúnda mí na bú. Cúnda na mí a bú. Suas na mí. Cúnda na mí a bú. Fecim min dúirt tá dréad an ó nuideag seach ó hain agus ileanna fós. Goma. Agus dúirt peringus genus gurmad. Goma. Agus mar genú ma daile I'll do another 10 minutes at a live stream. Was get chuir me live stream ha cum dinnis tá chur timer yeah, tá sé the timer is the timer is on now. Númat. There's Jack Vader, Jack Cachawilto, Jenna Fillar. Oh, to my hurricane, to my Tarish Bailey Moore, after eating a big meal. The burrito and jassam. I had a big burrito. Since the burrito belly arm. The bullock burrito armanish, burrito belly. So be a and last for my boojum mangala. I got it in boojum mangala. Smiling burrito. Smiling galore Ponery beans. I like lots of beans. Smiling, I like burritos. Smiling salsa. Smiling be Mexican. Mexican. That's like a jazz blaster. I guess rubag spice rule. A bit spicy. Niet a raw spice, so it's not too spicy. Yeah, that's sort marajera merla. That's sort kick. What's that like a jazz? Smiling my burritos. Agus ceholto ein Jack Vader tasún go tú cynnal gomaag tasún am gwyl trnúna I Jahina yn jer siachna tasún am go bwyl go tú bad time as a jer siachna no tos na jer siachna. I hope you're enjoying the weekend, the beginning of the weekend, agus dúirt Uncle Mick be me God in the returns to where an injury time in it. So well, ní muid bailach an injury time fós. Ní bailach. Not quite. So ní bailach. So ní muid bailach an injury time fós. Ach be gan 8 numadile, another 8 minutes. Beidr go an referee it's beidr chuir a couple of number bris. The referee here might add an extra couple of minutes to the live stream. Feice me. Feice nairis me and see how I feel. To my garta rubag thursachan, I'm getting a bit tired now. Harish Bailey more after the big meal. I bet you was Bosco the kinch millish. There might be a bit of space in my belly for the kinch millish for something sweet yet. We may shop out at Nisloch. I was shopping earlier, I guess for what you call them shopping earlier, the Mackie Moons. I guess on Peach, Maciapa. Really, to say the maar je bet je met just four. To say no sort sorbet. mar dears na Spáinní sorbet, as the Spanish say sorbet. Agus mar se beidir mai ceanú péir a rééis se livestream ra masúla sin. Dúirt Jack fé dúirt sin ceart chuis tuairí mé faoi níceap cé a cheapans tú faoi níceap an éan tú le mór an ceol a scailge bhfuil si tain sa geol. Ó séhfuilm ceol agus sélim ceolcailech sélim órain ar seannos. Sélim na seanórain, sélim na seanórain go háirit, especially séhfuilm ceolcailech céinte. Cé a ceapans fa faoi nuí cap bhfuil tá sé duna go más stáir san na gailge suirtach ní hiad mocha pantéisa mar a déir, nach mai cuppartí mar a déara, ní hiad mocha pantéisa. Ach, tá sé duna go má go gailge, but they're doing well for Irish Gaelic. Tá sé chur gailge a map a go leorghaoine, they're putting Irish language on the map for a lot of people. Mar se is rud más, and that's a good thing. Ach, bhí ceol ní mór an más tam a good ceol. I'm not a huge fan of their music. Ach, it's come on, doesn't matter. Tá sé ar san na gailge mar se. Sin an príomhrad, that's all that matters, sé ar san na gailge. Dúirt Brian Murphy céirdéad na príomhhaintistí bhainit le eiste bí chut bí bhí gnach. Na bhaint a ceapan go níos muid sin armach a feol mar hainra. Se bhfuil tá mé hain má bhígin is leis cín Gemlianna. I'm a vegan for over 10 years as cín Gemlianna. Agus se bhfuil gona hain bhí, for the animals, ní mailim bheith cruthú fullinch suffering. Fullinch, gus na hain bhí bochta. I don't like creating suffering, unnecessary suffering. Fullinch gan cúis, fullinch gan cúis gan na hain bhí. So sin na príomh chúis tá mé hain má bhígan, that's the main reason. Tá buntaistí sláinte, go leor fibre airech, ní bhéin aib at go le léidir airech I mar bhígan, you won't have any issues. Ní bhéin aib go le léidir airech ile, ní léon espa fibre airech mar se. Tá go leor buntaistí rud a bhígan. Sláinte ach mar dúirsman an príomhrad ná gan na hain bhí for the animals. Fresin gan timpeallacht, for the environment, right, for climate change, agus tá go leor buntaistí cínse. Ach se, dúirt Jack féidir tá sé ag tuairt na gailge lobaidir náisina agus timpeall a dam, agus tá sé ag na post éontacha chur gailge chur chun cín. Se, eintim leat, Jack, éontach. Tá sé mar dúirs tú hain, sé chur gailge ar a mapa go leorghaoine. Agus tá sé sin sprága, tuairt sprága go leor daoine gailge ólam, nó beidir go leor daoine ólam, to relearn ólam freisin. So they're generally just pitching back in a mail of fishing, so can say nach will guide your own tuck up. So live stream for those who don't have great Irish. So I think Kneecap are doing, as Jack says, they're doing well. They're representing Irish Gaelic well, and they're encouraging and motivating people to learn Irish, and maybe Olam, and maybe Irish people to relearn Irish. Marshata Olam, Vochan to, so it's an Antavida, so the An Vasam are Kneecap, my lash, and I have lots of respect for Kneecap. Because Neil Kestellichin Fos, no other questions there at the moment. Scarga may an injury time, so it will soon be into injury time now. Come on, shout come in the comfortach that's better now. Tama luche a tullock lying down on the couch here, so gohundul being Shasta normally a bile being Shastan, tripod, at home I have kind of a tripod thing, mar my phone a channel my live. I have to without the tripod. So I'm alive on tripod. My hand is the tripod, just so. Níteach a comfortach le gobert le bail. It's not as comfortable holding the phone for 20 plus minutes compared to having it on the tripod. Ach, Sha much in the sire, we say in the sir, egg baile, in arch, Somalia, Gunamara, agus Chalachel and Connemara neighbor else. They say Somalia, Ta me Somalia, or Ta sunny Somalia. Ach, in the sire, much egg baile, Ta me, egg baile, or Bay me, egg baile. Amárach le cúna dé. I'll be at home, I'll be home tomorrow le cúna dé. Ach, mar just ma go minic, as I often say, ta sa go jaschal gaile, at sen is just a while. It's nice to go to Galway, but it's nicer to go home. It's just a while. Ach, sa níce me, well, I can, sa fe much ta kist tawel. Sa there's Jack Vader, sa ta cheart fad that, mar the one hug my frijar ta chaige could smooth an ghaine agus go erni te chud smooth freshenach fibril kuchenta is fein monachas sha go jira fein monachas self confidence yeah that's an antavatach yeah antavatach as my on kneecap. Tá sé túr sin trasúla, mas tá mai ceap go bhfuil, and I think they are tuair Spraoi go haoine go gceolam. Agus tá timer caite. The timers, tá muid an indri timnis. We're in indri time now, the timer's passed. Ach, what was I saying? Well, féin muinechas féin muín. Spraoi. Also, took a video TikTok. Be my general fish on TikTok. I do lots of videos on TikTok as well. Go in this le better blian for about a year. The vad ni smooth. Doing TikToks in the stirelge. Vad no compared le Germwich 3 blenachan no von Gavlenachan compared to last year or the year before. Tá vad ni smooth doing TikToks stirelge. So sin cura va. That's a good sign. Cura va. Go in smooth doing. Durch Uncle Mick, are there any baru as a thing as someone that's pregnant and in the sir? I just thought about when you said you were stuffed with food. Mo van Kale asking. If we if we gumper nílach. Ta fuckle ta lag an kaint shan. But we don't have a saying for someone that's pregnant. Well, a funny saying, just a gumper or a soul. We do say here on the islands, in the Sires in Ishmael, we say, oh, tama soch sach, tama soch sach, or unwill tu soch sach, ta tu soch sach, ta me soch sach. That means you're full. Tama, oh, the burrito more amachin is nish tama soch sach. I had a big burrito there, and now I'm stuffed. Soch sach. Agus dúirt beidir bhacha muid a tine sé dúirt Jack Vader agus tá sé turcúna le go haoine na céimeanna bega ag taistal bob chun cabhú le haoine chun ní smó gailge ar isteach an de saoil silta laithúil agus chun na cuidiú sin leis sé cheist thechant. Agus sin dúirt Ata gaige fás céintse tá ifracha numlan gáardú is cúrán bha as éirim andearah a faoin tauchaí na teanga tá sé gaiirí ní sláide agus tá teach a réis. Tá sé teach a réis. Ké tá mai ceap gola ceartad, tá mai ceap gola ceartad, I think you're right, tá mai ceap gola ceartad, Jack. So, my cap go walk with the chin and Ishmael, I think I might leave it there because my Tá má gaiirí antar sachan is se leir sinna caite leir is just gone past 9:30 bhfuil. Yep, Jack caite leir sinna. Díadach caite leir sinna, just gone past 9:30. Sné mar gur míle má go cholachan na Blackport san live stream nacht. Thank you everyone who participated in the live stream agus chuir ceisna and that asked me questions. Is tá súla go mé deas agaí agus go mána sib tainmh as a déir seach, and I hope you have a lovely evening and enjoy the weekend. Se fáca muidir sinna mar se. Sné mar se slán go fóil.